Hi guys! First of all, Happy New Year 2021. I'm starting this video and this vlog from Calcutta. If you guys follow me on Instagram or if you have seen my vlogs on my Bangla channel, then you know that I'm celebrating New Year's this time in Kolkata. I'm in my apartment in Kolkata at my paternal house, Maika or Baper Bari basically. I'm going to be here for a couple of days in Kolkata and I'll travel to Durgapur, my sasural. Okay, so आज का जो vlog है, today is 31st night that I'm vlogging. Give you guys a quick house tour of this apartment. It's very minimalist. एकदम minimalist है, typical Bengali house. You'll see books, you'll see music things around because my sister is a musician. Let me quickly first give you a house tour and then we'll talk. Okay. This is how my apartment looks from outside. We're just entering the room now, and as you enter my house, you first see the living room where you have the sofa, the TV, and the bookshelf. That side we have the washroom, which I'm obviously not showing, and that side is my parents' bedroom. But first, let me show you this wall here where there's bookshelves and awards that all my sister has won. I have never won a single award in my school time. So moms always keep your school time things. These are all books and wrapped really nicely. And this is a painting that my sister had made in school. She's talented, man. The living room we have adjacent to it is the dining space or the dining area here. And there's a basin and the fridge and this is how the place is. There's a hallway which has 2 more rooms on that side, which I'll show in a while. This is our little kitchen, which is very cute. Now first, let me quickly show you my parents' bedroom, which is a pretty airy, nice room. This has a large bed, a large window, cupboard here, and that's all that it has. Now from this hallway here, we have 2 more rooms. Now the room where I am staying, let me show that room to you first. Tanpura, this is tabla. My sister is a musician, like I said, and she kind of plays all these instruments. And from this hallway here is my sister's room. She is also minimalist. She has a bed here, very old vintage harmonium, and she also plays this and a synthesizer that she plays. And that's her cupboard here with all the books that she read this year apparently, and her minimalist cupboard again. This is our little mandir here. In a bed, I find this very amusing. And that's it. So this is my mother here. So अभी प्लान क्या है न्यू ईयर का, हम कुछ घर पे ऑफ कोर्स सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. अब गुड़गांव में बहुत ठंड थी, आप लोग पता है, अगर दिल्ली से मुझे देखते हो आपको पता है कि दिल्ली गुड़गांव में कितना ठंड है. कैलकाटा में वेदर काफ़ी सही है. मैं बनाऊंगी एक सिंपल सा चॉकलेट केक. मम्मी तुम्हें कुछ बनी छो?
मांगशेट चॉप.
चिकन चॉप बनाई है. तो माय सिस्टर इज गोइंग टू मेक रेड वाइन सांगरिया घर पे ही. एंड दैट्स माय डैड. हाय बाबा.
हाय, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
Sir, I've taken 2 eggs, 1 cup of maida, half cup sugar to it. There goes 1 tablespoon of baking powder, little bit of cocoa powder, vanilla essence. Actually, I'm adding some oil. Put a cup of refined oil. Now I'm going to blend it all in the mixer. ये paste अब बन गया है. Always make sure that you check the consistency and the taste. और ये मेरा बेकिंग बोल है, इसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल स्मीयर कर दिया है और थोड़ा सा हल्का सा मैदा डाल दिया है. Now I have poured the batter in this bowl, in the microwavable bowl, and I'm going to put it in the microwave and heat it for around 5 to 6 minutes. And special, we are making red wine sangria at home. Some red wine. This is apples, and this is mommy is getting some pomegranate out. Wow, cake is almost ready. Alright guys, so that was a very homely, cozy New Year's Eve celebration with my parents at home. And I hope ये साल सबके लिए बहुत ही ups and downs के साथ रहा है. And still I hope we find ways to be grateful this year. So I'm just back to my bedroom here. I was just about to do my nighttime skincare routine after this day, and I got my Mamaearth ka entire vitamin C range. So I have their vitamin C foaming face wash, I have the vitamin C toner, I have the vitamin C skin illuminate face serum, and I have the vitamin C sleeping mask. Now this is how you use the product. So this is one of my favorite ranges from Mamaearth. So I have already washed my face with the foaming face wash because it comes with this, so it's so handy. I always carry it when I'm traveling. So it's here with me, and because I've already washed my face, now is the time to just use a bit of my vitamin C toner. I'm just going to take it on my palm a little bit and dab it on my hands and pat that in. But anyway, guys, let me know what was your thought in this year 2020 and what is your vision for 2021. So after the toner, I'm going to use the Skin Illuminate Face Serum. Now this one has vitamin C and turmeric. This is for specifically for radiant skin. After the serum, you can also definitely use this vitamin C sleeping mask. So anyway, like I was saying, the texture is very lightweight and perfect for Calcutta winters. I can hear firecrackers in the sky because it's New Year's Eve and night. So anyway guys, tell me something. What are your visions and plans for 2021? Like, I genuinely hope like good health specifically for everybody, because a pandemic corona taught us how important health is. So I really wish for good health for all of us. God, I'm sure you can also hear बहुत 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 फायर क्रैकर्स हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर कैलकाटा में तो अभी, बिकॉज इट्स न्यू ईयर, यू नो, इट्स एग्जैक्टली 12 and yeah, it's a big thing, man. 2020 that we all survived, we passed this year. It's a massive victory for all of us, you and me, both of us. We did well, we did great, so congratulations. And don't feel pressurized अगर आपको लगता है कि 2020 में हमने कुछ अचीव नहीं किया. Guys, me and you, we survived a pandemic, corona, so congratulations to us. We did huge, we did big, okay. So 2021 में एक चीज़ मैं आपको रेकमेंड करूँगी, प्लीज़ आप जर्नलिंग ज़रूर स्टार्ट करें, विजन रखें, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को फॉलो करें, फिटनेस पे फोकस करें, एंड देखिए कितना मैजिक होता है आपके लाइफ में. इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो आई हैव द Mamaearth products, links and details and everything. So these are all made up of natural ingredients.
So this is the entire vitamin C range. The Mamaearth also believes in the Goodness Inside initiative, which means that the brand
have good ingredients inside their products, but also the values that the brand stands for. One is that it is cruelty free, guys. Also, it has this planned goodness initiative, which means every time that you order from the Mamaearth website, they're going to link your order to a tree that they planted. We are contributing like wise to the environment. I think I'm going to hit the bed now because I'm a little tired, and I'm going to chat with my sister, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning.
So good morning and happy new year. It's 1st of Jan and happy new year. As you can see that my skin is glowing. Just washed my face. As you know, yesterday I did the nighttime skincare routine using the vitamin C range. Do check the description box below for the details. You can also avail the discount with the coupon code Anisha2021 for 20% off on the Mamaearth website. Mamaearth products are also available on Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. So do check it out. So yeah, that's it. You gotta see my glow, and I actually love how nice and glowing my skin is. I've not done my morning skincare yet. I've just washed the face with a splash of water. Do comment below and let me know what is going to be your new year resolution for this year, and I really hope and pray that all of us have a great 2021 and it's a great new year for the entire world. Thank you. Bye. See you guys soon.